Guys, it's my apple banana smoothie. So good. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today I will be making for your apple banana smoothie. Yes, so before I go, remember to like, share and comment on my videos. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing. Okay, and happy Memorial Day for the persons who are celebrating it in the United States. Okay, thank you so much. So let's dive into the video. So I have some apple peel and cut up. And my banana, not so wonderful, but yes. And I have some strawberry, yes, slices. I have my yogurt, this one, and I have my coconut water that I will be using, Goya. Yes, so I'm gonna get started by adding the apple. Take a blender, peel apple. Banana to the blender. Banana not so wonderful today, but yeah, gonna get going anyways. So I'm using 1.5 banana, half of the other one not good, and then I'm gonna use the strawberry slices. Some. Yes, and then I'm gonna use this yogurt, super yogurt, 0 sugar. Yeah, so if you want a yogurt that's not much sugar, you can choose this one. Add my coconut water, and I say it's Goya. And there you have it guys, all done. My banana apple smoothie looking so delicious. And there you have it guys, all done, looking so beautiful, and it is gonna be tasty too. So delicious. So go ahead and try this smoothie guys, you will love it. Okay, so remember to like, share and comment on my videos. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for sharing. So guys, until my next video, bye.